today. Today we'll be drawing plate number 2 of our I Teach AutoCAD video lecture series of 2021. Today we're going to be learning how to use the commands snap, grid, lines, circle, trim, delete, ortho, offset, and save as. Okay, so what would our drawing look like? Our drawing would look like this. Okay, it will look like this. It looks like a train. We will start off with our drawing in our P1 and save it as P2. Okay, so we're going to we open our plate number 1. Okay, then we edit our plate number 1. We double click on P1. Let's use it as double click. That's P2. Then, do you want to edit anything else? If none, file, save as P2. Okay. P2. And save. Okay, we're gonna work on P2. Okay, let's look back at what our drawing would look like. This is what our final output would look like. How can we draw this without any dimensions? So these are the dimensions. So from the tip, 15 vertical, 20 to the right. The 15 up, 20 to the right, 20, 25, 15, 15, then 5 and 5, 5 up, 5 to the left, 15, 10, another 5, 5 up, 5 to the left, 5 to the right, 10, 5, 5, 10, 5, 5, 15, 25. Then we will make a square here. We will add the arcs later. Okay. And 25, 10, 10, 10, 20, 10, 10, 10, then 30, 30, 40, down, then go back to this point. Okay, so 15, we start at 15, 20, 20, 25. Okay, so we start off with the command. We use, we notice that class, we notice that the dimensions are in multiples of 5. Okay, so I would like to use snap and the grid in drawing this. It's very simple using the snap and the grid. But we set our snap to 5 and our grid to 20. Okay, so snap set to 5 and grid to 20. Okay. Oh no, grid to 5, grid to 10. Okay, grid to 10. We'll start with line. Okay, so we start here. 15, 15 up and 20 there. Then 20. Am I right? 20, 25, 15. 20, 25, 15. Okay, then up by 15 again. Let's be sure that the snap and the grid are turned on. Okay, so 15, 15, 5, 10, 5 again, 10, 5, 10, 15, and 10. Okay, then 25, 10, 25, then 10, 10, 10, then this is 20, 10, 10, 30, 20, 20, 10, 10, 10, then 30, 30, 40, then 40, go back down, and we have, if you notice, we have an option close. Okay, we can see for close, and we have our basic shape of our drain. Now we will draw the arc here at the top. Okay, for this we need to command circle, C, circle. We use the 2P option. 2P will give the 2 points that will define its radius. So 2P, click here and click there. We have our circle. Circle again, 2P, click here, click here. Okay, now we can turn off our snap. We can delete this. Okay, trim this, select cutting, trim, select cutting edges. So cutting edges would be this, 2 lines. Then select and select. Okay, now we will locate the wheels, the 2 big ones and the 2 smaller ones. Okay, so check the drawing again. So as the center of our circles, it's at 5 mm from the bottom, and from here, from the edge, it is 30 plus the last digit of student number. So in this case, in this bend pose, the last digit is 8, so that would be 38. So 5 and 38. Oh, that's offset, letter over offset, 5, distance. There, and again by 38. Click here and click there. Okay, how about the distance from here to the other one? From the other one, it's 60 plus second to the last digit of student number. So 60 plus second to the last is 5. So 60 plus 5 is 65. So let's offset 65. Click and click. Okay. Now we draw our circle. Our circle has a radius of 30. Its center is at the intersection of those 2 lines. Circle, the section will be there. The center with the intersection, INT, intersection there. And the radius, I'll look at ask what the radius. The radius is 15 or 30 if it is diameter. Okay, another one, circle. To select the intersection, type INT. And okay, that's it. Then 15. Now we'll draw the smaller circles. So the smaller circles have a diameter of 20, or the radius would be 10. But the distance from the edge is 25 and 30. So we do this by still offset, but first we need to draw a line. So we need to turn ortho on. We need to turn ortho on. This is ortho. Then turn that on, or simply press F8 if you want. Ortho on. So F8. F8. Okay, that's ortho on. So line from the endpoint, endpoint of this line, and that line. Okay. Now offset by 25 and 30. Offset by 25. Enter. Enter again. Offset by 30. Click and click. Now we go to circle. Circle. Our center would be at the end point. End point of this. Radius is 10. Okay. Another circle. End point. End point. Then 10. Now We have the basic appearance. Now we delete what we don't need. We delete this to 3 lines. We delete that, and we delete that. Okay, so we trim out, trim this time. So press enter to select all. Okay, trim, 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 and trim. Okay, zoom out. That's how our train looks like. We turn off the snap, and we save as P2. It's already P2. Just we click it. We will just save. Okay, so that ends our lesson for today. See you next time.